In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive dashboards with Claude 3.5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Claude account, craft a clear prompt that tells Claude what kind of interactive dashboard you want, and then patiently wait while it generates a polished result you can use. First, open your Claude account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in and working from a reliable connection so your session doesn't time out mid-conversation. A desktop browser gives you the most space to review longer responses, code blocks, and step-by-step instructions that Claude may produce. Keep your dataset nearby, but avoid pasting any sensitive or confidential information. If you need to show data structure, share a small sample or just the column names and types. Next, enter your prompt. This is where clarity pays off. Begin with a single sentence that states your objectives, such as building an executive KPI dashboard or an operations monitor. Briefly describe your data, where it comes from, the key tables or columns, and any relationships that matter. Then spell out the interactivity you want. List the filters users should have, like date range, region, product, or user role. Describe any drill-down behavior, such as clicking a chart bar to reveal details or segment trends. Mention the visual elements you're expecting. Line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, maps for geographic patterns, or tables for granular detail. If you have a preferred tool or stack, include it, whether that's a no-code BI platform or a code-based approach like Python with Plotly, Dash, or Streamlit. Finally, tell Claude what to return. You can ask for a complete plan, code with comments, sample data schemas, and instructions to run or deploy. The more precise your request, the more actionable the output will be. Once you're done with your prompt, simply wait patiently to see the result. Claude may take a moment to think through the structure, the visual choices, and the logic for interactivity. Allow it time to finish generating before you scroll or copy. When the response appears, read it from top to bottom so you don't miss required libraries, environment notes, or configuration tips. If you shared a sample schema, confirm the field names match your real data before you run anything. Save the conversation so you can revisit it whenever you update your dashboard or refresh your data sets. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, enter a clear prompt tailored to your data and goals, and wait for the completed plan or code to appear.